That's your problem. Hey guys. Hey guys. How are you guys? It's a lot going on right now. And I have the sudden urge to do my makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my makeup for a little bit.
Okay, so do it.
Oh.
You make it. Wait. Oh, stupid.
I'm actually not gonna do my makeup because I'm going to kill her first. Because I'm tired of her disrespecting me. If she FaceTimes, I swear to God, I have Oreo in my mouth. I need to, not in my mouth, but like in my teeth. I need to rinse it with some water. Yo, why are y'all so like close? Like, back up. I know I'm cute, but like, back up. Oh. Today is pretty chaotic. She just.
Hi guys, the one and only.
The one.
Hi, best friend. That's me. Me.
But yeah. So I might get my nails done tomorrow if I feel any better. If not, then I'm just going to she makes me sick. I'm gonna get them done tomorrow if I feel any better. If not, then I'm just gonna have to wait till for 3 weeks to get them done, which is around like the party time, because I got a party I'm going to, y'all. But yeah, honestly, I'm just about to sit here and do my makeup, and then, you know, I don't know. Guess we just chilling for I don't know. Actually, no, I want to film some TikToks. That's why I also said I want to do my makeup. I'm gonna film some TikToks. Okay, I'm gonna film some TikToks, and I'm gonna post them like next week, and then like, boom, that's gonna be the vibe. It's gonna be the vibe. Ugh, she just makes me so. But yeah, I got so many birthday wishes today, y'all. I don't know. I felt kind of special. Not really. I'm getting my voice back a little bit. Like before, I was all like, but now I feel way better. So I got some medicine, and I'm chilling. Either.
You know what I look like. You know what the tea is. You know what's going on. Now continue the video, make the TikToks that what they're waiting for, what I'm waiting for. Hurry it up. Buttercup.
I'm gonna film some TikToks now. Right. Okay. It's been a minute since I did my makeup. So, yeah. I don't put makeup on my forehead because it just don't sit right with me. My forehead, she just had a whole different color too. So she just don't blend like the rest. Like, it just don't blend with my edges either. Like, I just don't like it. So, I'm gonna spray my face with some. I sometimes do this, not really. I'm gonna spray my face with like witch hazel and then put my primer on, and then we'll see where we go from there. But yeah. Okay, so my whole plan is to basically do my makeup. I want to do like pink. I do want to do pink because like the shirt I'm wearing is like pink, like kind of like this pink, but it's like a bright pink. So you either want to do like a subtle natural look. It's like, I don't want to do pink blush. I don't know, like maybe I'll do like, I might be like experimental today and do like pink like lines or something. Like, I don't know, I just want to experiment with like pink. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? We haven't done a voiceover in a minute, so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna say, y'all, this video really had me dead because ain't no way. But anyway, we're gonna start off with, as always, like I said, I sprayed my face with some witch hazel, and now I'm gonna go in with my Jelly Pop primer. I kind of want, this video is a bit on the shorter side, not really, but from the videos I've been dropping recently, it is on the shorter side. So I just want to get kind of straight into the point and not waste nobody's time. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? after I go with my Jelly Pop primer, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. You guys know that this is my girl right here. I'm almost gonna need to buy a new one soon, but she's been doing me justice, and I love her so much. She just gets the job done. You know what I mean? This makeup look, honestly, it came out way better than I expected. It's really cute, despite the fact that I had some breakouts in my face from like the weather and me being a little bit sick. Like, I had some breakouts on my face or whatever. It was just terrible. But I was not gonna spend my already ruined COVID birthday without looking cute at least once. You know, I did my hair like it wasn't finna go down like that. So we made sure we stayed cute. After my brow pencil, I'm gonna go in with my NYX color corrector. I'm gonna go in with the medium cream shade and just kind of color correct those breakouts that I started to get in my under eyes. I use yellow underneath my under eyes, even though I need to research color corrector more. Like, I know the basics of it. Like, I know like the opposite of red was like yellow or something. Listen, I don't know. I don't know. But we're still getting into it. I know how to use it, so that's all that matters. But I color corrected around my face, and as you can see, I knew I looked a mess. It was literally terrible. It was just like, Miss Girl, what are you doing? Okay, hey guys, so long story short, I had to like wipe all my makeup off and put it right back on because because I forgot to film my TikTok transitions, and that's the whole purpose of me doing my makeup. So I'm sorry, I have to take my robe off. It is hot. So yeah, but I restarted. I have a new process to my eyebrows. I'm like concealing and contouring. I don't contour, but I feel like today I'm going to. The contour I use isn't dark because I'm not like a big contour person, so the purpose isn't for it to be dark. So yeah, don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. What are you doing? I don't usually color correct around my mouth, but I did because I was like, we're trying something a little bit new. You know, the whole purpose is experimental. So yeah. Going into this next clip, y'all, this is where the makeup look kind of went downhill, because this is supposed to be a quote-unquote contour. I don't use contour that often, but I feel like it's not bad to use contour. Like, in my recent like off-camera experimental makeup looks, I've been kind of playing with contour and bronzer and those kind of things, and I see a use for them now. I don't know what I'm doing right here. It looks a mess. You will see that it looked like my makeup wasn't blended by my jawline. If it's irritating y'all, trust me, it irritated me because I didn't see it while I was doing it, and it looked a mess, y'all. It looks not even blended, but it's okay because I ain't going nowhere. You couldn't see it in a TikTok, so that's okay. It's okay. Honestly, the makeup overall was blended, but because of that quote-unquote contour that I used around my jawline, it just didn't. I didn't pay attention to that part, so that's why it didn't look right, and it wasn't dark. So listen, it's experimental for a reason. Don't grill me too much, okay? The so-called contour shade that I used was one of the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick contours. It wasn't the correct shade. I wouldn't say it's a bad contour, but it wasn't the correct shade, at least for me to use. This bottle a little effed up, so I couldn't even really tell you the shade if I wanted to. All I can see like is something wears something. I just don't. I don't know. And as you guys know, the concealer and foundation that I use is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and Warm Honey and Golden Honey. Those are the two foundations and concealers that I mix together to kind of make my face shade. But just know, we're sourcing new bronzer and we're sourcing new contour, and we tried some things and it's starting to look a lot better. So for the upcoming videos, you guys will be pleased, hopefully. I'm now just going in and blending my non-existent contour and just kind of, you know, just digging in there, seeing what we can get out of it. I then went in with my Beauty Gems eyeshadow palette. I was just kind of mixing around the pinks and the light purples and kind of going in with a lot of different shades, seeing what we can get out of it. And it really turned out really nice. Like, I was honestly very proud of this look. A makeup technique or a look that I've been really drawn to lately and that I've been trying a lot lately is the under eye, kind of smoky under eye, like shadow colors. Like, I want to do like a full eyeshadow look, I would just put a nice little pop of color, either whether it be brown, black, yellow, purple, pink, whatever it gotta be. Put that underneath like my lash line, my bottom lashes. Do me a nice little smoky eyeliner and call it a day. Like, I really am drawn to that kind of like technique or makeup look, so y'all might see that the most from me. So don't hate, okay? Don't hate the play, hate the game. Purr. Ain't got enough money on me, can't count no more. Like, just look at it. It's not even, it don't look blended. Like, y'all, I finished at like 1 o'clock in the morning, TikToks included, so I can see why I just kind of let it ride. I mean, I'm not going nowhere, I'm in my house, but it's bothering me, okay? And she just keep bothering me and bothering me and bothering me because it was bothering me. After my makeup look was finished, you guys already know I went in with my favorite They're Real mascara, because it'll get you asking, are they real? Not sponsored. I don't really know if you got, I didn't really think I would have to say this, but just in case, y'all, I'm not sponsored in any of these videos, trust me. Whether this video is like 2 or 3 years old, none of these videos are sponsored. From this video and my previous videos, none of these videos were sponsored, so let's keep that in mind, okay? We not built like that just yet, so we're not sponsored. Anyways, after I just the night before I had curled all the like leave out curls I had in this like passion twist invisible lock style, and I just kind of took them out. You know, like, we knew we were gonna film this TikTok, whether we knew or didn't. And the makeup, she was feeling herself, even though her jaw wasn't blended, she was feeling herself, and that's all that matters. I just kind of took my hair down, played with it a little bit, got her all fresh and cute so I could film these TikToks, and she did what she had to do. She did what she had to do. You understand me, ladies and gentlemen? She did what she had to do. For the lip liner, you guys already know that I use my eyeshadow palette for my lip liner, so I just use like the darkest brown shade in my palette and line my lips with it. And then I went in with one of my favorite lip glosses from Bath & Body Works in the shade Boldly Pink. And it's literally one of my favorite like lip glosses. Like, I wear it everywhere. So, yeah. Okay, hey guys, so I just finished filming all my TikToks. Oh my god. Okay, hey guys, so I just finished like filming all my TikToks and taking pictures and stuff. It is 1:17. Ridiculous. But I feel so cute. I do have clothes on, but I feel so cute. Like, this makeup look is definitely one for the buck. So I'm gonna take a few more pictures and then wipe this off and go to bed. Y'all, these TikToks came out so good. I am just a baddie. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll probably put them like at the end of the video. Or I could just be a butthole and say you will see them if you follow my Instagram and my TikTok. Linked down below or at the bottom of the screen. Follow and then you'll see all my TikToks. Okay guys, now that I'm officially done with that, I'm gonna like tie up my hair and, you know, wipe off my makeup and stuff. But now that I was thinking, because I'm trying to figure out some styles for this, and I'm like, since I didn't record me fully doing this hairstyle, I will just record me styling it. So I'm gonna make up like different little styles for you guys or whatever. this hairstyle, and yeah. This isn't really what it's supposed to look like, but I'm glad it came out this way because it's really cute and it's really me. Like, see the guns? I need to get my arm muscles back. If you thought that was a muscle, trust me, they were bigger. I need to do more. I'm gonna start going to the gym again and getting my arms together because I'm not gonna lie, they're huge. Anyways. But for the most part, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Try to keep it short, sweet, and simple. Also because I didn't really have much footage to work with. I was filming a vlog while doing this, a weekly vlog. I will link that up in the top right corner. I was filming a vlog while I was doing this kind of, I don't know, get ready with me, I don't know, experimental makeup look. So I didn't have much footage to work with, mainly because I think past me just kind of forgot, didn't close up the video properly. So yeah, but au revoir for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. And I will see you guys as always in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.